How to make a bagged salad. Choose your favorite salad. Today we're gonna make avocado toast salad. Supplies you'll need: a bowl, a mixing spoon, and a pair of scissors. Remember first, wash your hands. Wash your hands. Second, read the directions on the back of the bag. Directions: toss all ingredients in a large bowl. Serve and enjoy. We can do that. Cut. Step 1, scissors. Open the top of your bag. Step 2, pour entire content of bag into a large mixing bowl. Oh boy. Find your toppings and sauce bag. Remove from large bowl. Cut the top to open. Remove ingredients. Toast bites, avocado, cheese, and dressing. Cut. Step 3. Start opening your toppings. Use your scissors. Cut across the top. Pour in one bag at a time. Toast bites. Next bag. Cheese. Cut across the top. Pour in mixing bowl. Next up, avocado, fresh avocado. Squeeze in the mixing bowl. Ooh. Make sure you get all of it out. And then the last pouch, cut across the top. Squeeze over entire salad. And mix. Keep mixing until everything has been blended in. Look at that. A yummy avocado toast chopped salad. Serve and enjoy.